everybody, this is Espro from TV Espro. I wanted to make a quick video on the computer I put together roughly last year because I haven't made a video on what parts I put in it yet, and I wanted to show you guys what I put into it. I got all the parts from Fry's Electronics in the Bay Area, actually in Sacramento. But I want to dust it off before I show you guys because it's a bit dirty. It's been in the TV room because who wouldn't want to connect it to the big TV? Just give me a second and I'll be right back. Hey everybody, this is my case. I put it all in a Antec 900 big case, you know, full ATX. It's good for all the parts that I put into it. I also put a LG Blu-ray burner into it because I render stuff in Blender, and I put it all on the portable hard drive because I used to use a laptop and it was slowing down the laptop. So I put all my Blender files into the portable hard drive, and now they're all on there. So it's really good to have redundancy. So I burn a Blu-ray data disk of all the files that are on there to back it up. Also, I have the USB Bluetooth dongle, which make sure you unplug it and install all the drivers, then plug it back in. The last time I installed it, it didn't install the utility to control it, but I redid it and it's working better. I mean, it's working now. Otherwise, you get errors. This is the little window on the side and another fan. I got two fans in the front that are blue when lit up, and then this one right here, there's no fan in that, it's just the opening right now. I didn't put a fan in it because I got more than enough fans with that one on the top, and then this one in the back, and the power source has its own. Also, you can see my graphics card is HDMI. So let me open it up and show you what parts I put into it. Got them all, everything here except for the hard drives, the other hard drives. Well, all the hard drives I got at the portable hard drive I got in an office store because I was visiting my parents at the time. It's a Western Digital 500 gigabyte. The front two, well, the 1 terabyte, well, I'll go into that later, but let me open up the computer and I'll show you what I put into it. Just a sec. Okay, so here's the inside of my computer. Wanted to clean it off a little bit. It's better than it was. Still pretty dusty. Didn't charge the vacuum, the little vacuum I have, so I ended up using a brush. Hopefully I was careful enough. The fan still needs cleaning. So yeah, like I said, it's the Antec 900 case. There's the Antec 1000 watt power. I wanted to put enough into it in case I upgrade anything later or get, you know, crossfire some graphics cards. So yeah, the motherboard is the Asus P6X58D Pro. Pretty cool. It's built on a Intel i7-930. I think that goes like 2.8 gigahertz or 2.9. It's pretty good. I wanted to go above what the pre-built computers had in it, and the pre-built computers were like 800s and stuff like that. So I got 930. 930. So I also put 12 gigs. You can see that 3 DIMMs, 12 gigs of DDR3 triple channel RAM running at 1600 megahertz. I haven't overclocked it. Right there you can see Yeah, right there, that's the Seagate Barracuda. 2 terabyte hard drive. Got that from Best Buy. That's the primary. I was going to make it the secondary, but I ended up making it the primary. So it's got Windows on that. Windows 7 Pro. This runs at 6 gigabytes per second, so it's connected to the, where is it? Right there. 6 gigabyte per second SATA connection. I think that's SATA 600. And there's the Caviar Black 7200 RPM 1 terabyte hard drive. And I put those both into, that one runs at it's SATA 300. It runs at 3 gigabytes per second, but I put it in the 6 gigabytes per second connection, because if I didn't have them both in the 6 gigabytes per second connection, when I booted, it didn't show on the list when it went through the hard drives on boot. It didn't show on that screen that says what hard drives are connected. So I put them both on the 6 gigabyte per second one, and then they both showed. And that Blu-ray burner I have on the 3 gigabyte per second. I use the Blu-ray burner as a backup for my portable hard drive. I burn Blu-rays, data discs. I got that, I don't know if I said it already, because I did a couple takes, but I did the, I used to have a laptop. I still have it, but I don't use it since I built this thing. And the my Blender files, animation Blender files, were large, and they were, and my iTunes, they were both slowing down my laptop, so I put all the files on a portable hard drive. It's a Western Digital. It's a portable hard drive, 500 gigabyte. So I use that, and then I burn when I want to have redundancy, make sure everything's okay, I burn a backup Blu-ray. Okay, so I have Windows 7 Pro. Okay, there's my graphics card. It has HDMI output. It's a Asus 5770, 1 gigabyte PCIe graphics card. It's good for what I do. I mean, it's good for what I do, but if I want to do graphics card rendering, or use the graphics card for rendering in Blender, I'd have to get a GeForce card. So that's not enabled with this card inside of Blender. It's not an option. It's got a fan on it. It's pretty good. Not bad. When I first put it together, I had to I started it up and I installed the drivers for this from the disk. Well, make sure you get the drivers straight off the website, because if you install it off the disk, you might have problems. It won't run right and all that stuff. The latest drivers are on the website, so get it off the website. It's updated. I also have a HP Comfort keyboard and mouse, but that's not here right now. It's over there in the other room. Don't get that one. I got that one on a whim when I was putting parts together for this at Fry's Electronics in Sacramento, or Roseville. Which one did I go to? I don't remember. It's been a while. It's been about a year. But I got the HP Comfort keyboard and mouse, and the mouse sucks. It won't track forward, which is it's either up or down, or zoom in or zoom out in Blender. It does, but it's horrible at tracking, so don't get those ones. My brother got a Microsoft keyboard for cheap, and it came with the mouse, and it's awesome. I also put Norton on this, and that's about it. Windows 7 Pro. Love Windows. It's awesome. Windows 7. Not sure how I feel about Windows 8 from what I've seen on YouTube. But I like Windows 7. So that's pretty much it. What I put in here. Pretty happy with it. Does the job. Pretty powerful. I could overclock it if I want, but I haven't needed to. And hope you liked the video. If you like it, subscribe and, thumbs up the video. Thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot to mention my toolkit. This is the toolkit I use to build PCs at Best Buy. It's not expensive. It's pretty cheap. Comes with pretty much everything you need and then some. My brother added this because we were replacing the laser in the PlayStation, and we had to do that twice because, hey, make sure you go to a trustworthy place, because if you don't know where they get their parts, they could be getting them off eBay and they could be crap. So you'll end up doing it again and spending twice as much, and they ain't cheap. But these are the parts I use to put computers together. Make sure you ground yourself, and it's always good to have an extra SATA. Next time I'll make a video of my brother's computer that I put together. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.